the heart of the urban landscape, a striking structure emerges, a monochrome industrial home that redefines contemporary living. With a palette dominated by black, white, and shades of gray, this residence embodies a seamless fusion of raw materials and refined minimalism. The bold contrast between textures, from exposed concrete to matte black metal, sets the tone for an aesthetic that is both dramatic and effortlessly sophisticated. This is not just a house. It's an artistic expression of urban charm. At first glance, the home's exterior captivates with its geometric precision and understated elegance. Black steel framing and concrete walls form a striking yet harmonious facade, softened by wooden accents that add warmth to the industrial appeal. Large, strategically placed windows punctuate the structure, allowing natural light to sculpt the interiors while maintaining privacy. The monochrome palette extends to the outdoor landscape, where minimalist greenery and stone elements enhance the home's stark beauty. Stepping inside, the living room is a masterpiece of contrast. A deep black sofa rests against a textured concrete wall, creating a bold yet inviting focal point. Metal light fixtures with a raw, unfinished look hang above, casting a soft industrial glow. Minimalist shelving holds carefully curated art and sculptures, reinforcing the theme of simplicity with purpose. The absence of excess allows each design element to speak for itself, making the space feel both intimate and expansive. The kitchen follows the same philosophy, where industrial charm meets modern efficiency. A long, black quartz island commands attention, its surface reflecting the gentle interplay of light and shadow. Sleek cabinetry in matte charcoal hides away clutter, while stainless steel appliances blend seamlessly into the monochrome setting. Open shelving with a raw steel finish adds an urban touch, offering both practicality and artistic display. Every inch is designed with intention, creating a space that is as functional as it is visually stunning. the monochrome bedroom, a sense of calm prevails. A low-profile bed with a black linen frame rests against a wall of soft gray plaster, creating an atmosphere of serene sophistication. Floor-to-ceiling curtains in charcoal gently diffuse the city's glow, offering a sanctuary of privacy. A single pendant light in industrial metal hangs beside the bed, providing both illumination and sculptural beauty. The space is intentionally uncluttered, embracing minimalism as a path to restful retreat. A monochrome industrial bathroom is more than just a place of function. It's a sanctuary of raw elegance. Dark stone tiles line the walls, creating a moody yet luxurious atmosphere. A floating vanity in black concrete adds a sculptural element, its sleek design contrasting beautifully with industrial metal fixtures. The walk-in shower, enclosed by a matte black glass partition, enhances the seamless flow of the space. Every material choice reflects durability and artistry, making this an oasis of modern sophistication. Beyond the walls, the outdoor space continues the monochrome theme with a minimalist courtyard. A polished concrete patio extends seamlessly from the interior, blurring the lines between indoors and out. Black metal planters hold sculptural greenery, their simple forms complementing the industrial aesthetic. A seating area with angular furniture offers a place for quiet reflection, where the balance of textures, stone, metal, and wood creates a tranquil yet dynamic retreat. This monochrome industrial home is more than a visual statement. It's a lifestyle of thoughtful simplicity and bold refinement. By stripping away excess and focusing on materiality, light, and space, the design achieves a balance of warmth and raw edge. It's a testament to the beauty of restraint, where urban aesthetics and minimalist charm converge in perfect harmony. In this space, every detail has a purpose, and every moment feels intentional, proving that true sophistication lies in simplicity.